Hello friends, in this video we are going to see that how to make an aquarium in light bulb. To make the bulb aquarium, you need to take a old bulb and you just remove the bottom part of that bulb. Then you take the decorative items. You can buy it from the nearest aquarium shops. Without wasting any time, let's start. In the first step, we are going to make a stand for placing that bulb aquarium. To make the bulb aquarium stand, you need to take a plastic bottle and cut the neck and the center part of the plastic bottle. And in the next step, we are going to fixing the bulb into that stand. To fix the bulb into that stand, you need some cottons. Now the bulb stand is ready. In the next step, we are going to make the bulb aquarium. Then you decorate your bulb with artificial leaves or flowers. After decorating the bulb, you need to fill the bulb about 3/4 with the water. Now our bulb aquarium is ready. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video is more helpful to you, then you please hit on that like button and don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.